Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import your budget data onto the AndroMoney expense tracker application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AndroMoney application on your device and then enter your password if you have set it in order to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, in order to import data onto this application, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then scroll down until you find export/import. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you can choose to sync database from your online account or import from a CSV file. You can also choose to restore database from your online Google account. After choosing your desired option, you can just browse for your CSV file from your internal storage or your Google account. Once your CSV file has been located, it will begin importing onto your account right away. If you choose the sync or restore database options, then it will begin automatically syncing using your cloud, as well as the account that you have set while setting up your sync preferences. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to import data onto your AndroMoney expense tracking application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.